Sometimes the best days on a cruise aren't the ones you've planned months in advance. They're the ones that happen completely by chance. That's exactly what happened when we arrived in Corfu, Greece. Unlike most of the ports on our cruise, we didn't have a tour booked before arriving in Corfu. Our original plan was to simply get off the ship, explore the town, and see where the day took us. And as we walked through the port area, we came across a local excursion offering a last minute tour of, and please forgive me, I may mess this up, Paleopolis, the ancient city of Corfu. It sounded like the perfect opportunity to experience a little of the island's history, so we decided to go for it. After meeting our guide, we climbed aboard and headed towards Paleopolis, one of the oldest settlements on the island. Long before Corfu became the popular cruise destination it is today. This area was an important ancient Greek city with thousands of years of history. Walking through Paleopolis, gives you a completely different perspective of Corfu. Instead of busy shopping streets and waterfront cafes, you're surrounded by archaeological remains that tell the story of civilizations that lived here centuries ago. Throughout the area, you'll find remnants of ancient buildings, stone walls, and historic sites that have been carefully preserved. One thing that really stood out during our visit was the beautiful churches scattered throughout the area. Their architecture, colorful interiors, and peaceful atmosphere offered a glimpse into Corfu's deep religious traditions and cultural heritage. It's amazing how seamlessly ancient history and everyday life blend together throughout the island. As we continued exploring, we were treated to incredible views overlooking the coastline. Corfu has a completely different look and feel compared to some of the Cycladic islands that we have visited. The lush greenery, rolling hills, and crystal clear water make it one of the most beautiful islands in Greece. One of the things I enjoyed most about this experience was that it wasn't something we had planned months in advance. Sometimes it's easy to think every port day needs to be carefully scheduled, but Corfu reminded us that leaving a little room for spontaneity can lead to some unforgettable experiences. If you're visiting Corfu on a cruise, don't be afraid to explore beyond the main shopping district. Whether you book an excursion ahead of time or discover one after arriving like we did, there's so much history and beauty waiting just outside the. Corfu ended up being one of the most pleasant surprises that reminded us why we love cruising. Every port has its own personality, and sometimes the unplanned adventures become the most memorable ones. Thank you for joining us as we explored Corfu, Greece. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and join us for the next stop on our Mediterranean cruise series.